Guru Nation? Welcome back to theclinicaltrialsguru.com. Again, it's theclinicaltrialsguru.com. So today's video is on why and how you should use LinkedIn no matter what it is that you're trying to do in the clinical research industry. I don't care if you're an employee looking for a job, if you're a contractor looking for a job, if you're an independent consultant looking for more business, if you're a research site owner looking for more studies, if you are a CRO looking for more studies, if you're a pharma company looking for biotechs to acquire, if you're a biotech looking for investors or looking for pharma companies to make deals with or partnerships with, LinkedIn is the place you got to go to. That's it. So if there's one place that you're going to choose in this industry to be online, it is LinkedIn. That's how most people use LinkedIn. Most people use LinkedIn. They will add a bunch of people at random. I do this too, but they add a bunch of people at random, and then when they need something, they message everyone the same thing, copy and paste it. Right? That's like a horrible way to do it. All you're doing is you're doing spam email marketing on LinkedIn. That's not innovative. You're not adding value anywhere. You're not tricking anyone. Okay, LinkedIn's been around for over 10 years. I've been using it since 2006, 2005, 2006. Like, you're not tricking anyone with that. You're not going to get by with that strategy on email marketing. You're not going to get by with it on LinkedIn. However, that's not to say you don't message with people and you don't engage with people. So here's what you can do that other people are not doing, or not doing well, or most people are not doing. You'll see the next time you open up LinkedIn, you're going to have a news feed. I want you to comment on everything that you can add value to. Not too many people leave comments. Not too many people like other people's stuff. Most people use LinkedIn to push out their stuff. There's nothing wrong with that. But because of that, the attention that you're going to get is actually increased when you reply on someone else's piece of content. So they're going to click on you. They're going to see who you are. Now, the next time you reach out to them, they might even reach out to you. But the next time you reach out to them, they're going to remember who you were. And you can even remind them, hey, I was the person who was interested in this topic. Here's what I'm doing right now. Maybe we can work together. If you do that and be genuine about it, so don't comment just for the sake of commenting. Like, try to add value. Do that every day to about 10 posts that you see on LinkedIn. Okay, that's number one. Join groups. So there's a lot of groups on LinkedIn where you can engage and network with other research professionals or other people just interested in clinical research. So you can have dialogue, you can have conversation. It's essentially like a 24/7, 365-day a year conference, virtual conference. If that's what LinkedIn is. So I want you to do that. Those are replying and engaging. The next thing I want you to do after replying, commenting, engaging, liking other people's work, I want you to create your own work. And I want you to develop a rich media content marketing strategy for yourself. Everybody, I don't care who you are, everybody has some value to contribute. Everyone has their own perspective on the industry. Everyone's an expert on their own angle in the industry, and you should be creating content around your expertise to promote yourself. And hopefully you get people to engage with you, you get people to recognize who you are, and then that will lead to business opportunities. So there's three types of content you can produce in what I call rich media content. There's only three ways we communicate: the written word, video, or audio. That's it. I'm doing all three. I started out with just video. Now this year I actually just added audio, which is the podcast, and I added a written blog post, although I've been writing articles sporadically ever since I started the video blog. So you pick one, preferably you pick all three. If you're really ambitious, you're going to do all three. If you only have time for one, pick the one that you like best, because compliance is key. So if you're really shy and don't want to get on video, or you think you have a strong accent and you don't want to do audio, which by the way I think could be a plus for you, but whatever, then do written. Or if you hate writing, then do a video or audio post. Create one piece of content every day. I don't care if it's a written blog post, video, audio, do that, And then look in your newsfeed, look at your customers. One of the best things about being in business to business sales, and if you're an employee, you're in business to business sales too, you may not know it, is you know who your target is. You know who you're targeting. Like right now, when I'm doing this, I don't know who I'm targeting. I don't know who's watching. But if I'm trying to get a study or if I'm trying to get a job, I know exactly who I need to target. So create content for those people. Like look at their stuff, look at what they've written about, look what they're interested in, look what they're commenting on. You can do all this on LinkedIn if they're your contacts. And then create content for them that they want. That's how you should be using LinkedIn, and you need to be doing this every day, and you need to stop spamming, and it's going to work. Good things will happen. It may take a month, it may take 2 months, it may take 3 months, but what are you currently doing right now that's going to get you ahead? So I suggest you do this. Stay tuned for more on how to use other social networks, but LinkedIn's the most important. And then go to iTunes and check out Random Musings from the Clinical Trials Guru, where I go in depth on this topic. Thank you, Guru Nation. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.